In this video, we are going to show you how to integrate research into workflows in Poppy AI. Now, as you can see here, this is a template we have gotten from the template option. So this is brainstorm system for YouTube, right? So if we zoom in a bit, I'm going to show you how this works. So you have groups here. You have a group for best practices. These are videos for best practices again, for scripting this time. You have thumbnail design for best practices again, and then you have your formula and frameworks for YouTube, and then you have your own videos, right? And then you have certain things there like video idea library. So everything is set up for you, right? So if you want to add or integrate a new wing to this, a new research, how do you do this? Well, you don't want to just add your research on already existing boards, right? So we want to actually create a new group by here, clicking this or pressing G like so, and then just putting it here, depending on how big you want it to be, like that. And then you just, so we want to zoom in. So group 6, just double click and just rename this into whatever your new research that you're going to integrate or you're going to add to your already existing board too, right? Once you have laid out everything and you have put everything here, just like these other existing boards, you want to move it here and then connect it to your chat. And as you can see, we've connected here to our main engine. This is Poppy Chat, right? That's Poppy Chat. If you want to click or make a new one, press C or click this, right? It's that simple. That's how you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.